Every successful backyard barbecue has one thing in common. We say a good variety of dips. But you can do better than the store-bought stuff. My next guest has 3 recipes that you will want to repeat all summer long. Our dear friend Wendy Paul is here to whip us through 3 summer dips. It's a dip whip.
That's really fun.
We're whipping through the dips.
We're going to whip up some dips for summertime.
So in our planning meeting this week, we got to get into it, but really quickly, our food producer was reading off the names of the dips, the ingredients. We were all just salivating.
Were you?
These are dips that you probably haven't tried or heard of, but they bring on summer flavor in the best way.
Summer flavor, and it's easy. And dare I say, you could even make this into a dinner.
Sure.
A dinner dip? Could you do a dinner dip? Yes,
a dinner dip whip.
Yes. Yes, you can.
Okay, what's first?
Okay, so the first one was this delicious triple berry feta dip.
Oh my goodness.
So you've seen on Instagram, all over social media, the baked feta with all the veggies, like the tomatoes and peppers.
Yeah.
This is baked feta with brown sugar, a little heavy cream, and triple berry frozen berries.
Baked feta, heavy cream.
And a little tiny bit of cinnamon, and you roast it, mix it all together, and it becomes this delicious dip.
You roast it?
Yes.
May
roast
I?
it? Yes, please.
Oh my gosh.
So it's sweet, it's tangy, it's fruity.
Oh, that's amazing.
I know. It's so, so good.
Wendy.
Right?
That is so good.
I just knocked your socks off.
You did. I'm not even wearing socks.
I know.
They were knocked
They're
off.
gone.
Okay.
Okay, so that's the first one, and I loved it. I served it with like some wafer cookies, Nilla wafers, and graham crackers.
It's desserty, but it's not too sweet.
No, but you could always, if you want it sweeter, you could add a little more brown sugar. But I like to err on the side of caution and not super sweet
I'm
berries.
obsessed with that.
Okay, that's
so
really,
good.
really good.
What's next?
Okay, the next one is a hot chicken dip. So let's throw it together, shall we? So I did the Just Bear. I love these. These are like, we're obsessed with them.
They're the best.
So I like to cook them first, okay? So they have a little bit of the crunch on the outside. You're just gonna roughly chop them, right? You want chunky.
Okay.
Throw them in here.
The chicken's actually in the dip.
Chicken is in the dip.
Lovely.
And then hot sauce. All right, do you like hot?
No, but I like you. And so and you know what? I have a few people in my family.
So just a little bit, but you could go as much hot heat as you want.
Okay.
Some tomato sauce.
Okay.
Okay. A little bit of heavy cream. I like just the creaminess to balance out that heat.
Yeah.
Okay. So just a touch.
Okay.
All right.
That's a professional measurement.
Yeah. Just a couple tablespoons at the most. You're gonna add some cheese because we want it to be cheesy.
Sharp cheddar.
Okay? So sharp cheddar. I love sharp cheddar.
Well, for a dip especially, right? When you're going for flavor.
Totally. You're gonna mix this together and then you're gonna heat it in the microwave.
Okay.
Okay, so you roast your chicken, assemble your dip. We like it spicy. You could also do like diced jalapenos inside.
Oh yeah, Mark
whatever
would
you
love
want.
This, yeah.
Oh, so
Happy
good.
Father's Day to Mark.
Yes, make him the dip. So once you're done, I put a little blue cheese on top, a little more cheddar cheese just to make it even cheesier.
Yes.
And then I would serve it with crostini, toasted crostini, and celery sticks.
Yum. So kind of that like a la buffalo dip type of a thing.
Yes,
but
like
better
hot
because
chicken.
Wendy Paul is behind it.
Oh, hey, I'll take that.
All right, this third one is unique.
Third one's unique. So we love hummus at our house.
Yes.
I don't particularly love garbanzo beans. Don't kill me, okay? So I thought, let's try it with some butter beans.
Oh.
Holy cow.
What are butter beans? Am I supposed to know this?
So it's just like a really nice bigger bean.
Butter beans.
Okay, butter beans.
Okay.
They're really creamy.
Okay.
But we're gonna add some cashews.
All
right. So we've got some olive oil, some salt, some garlic. Now, here's the key. If you use salted cashews, do not add salt to the recipe.
Okay.
It'll be too salty.
Yeah.
But if you do raw cashews, you can add a little salt to the recipe. And then here's the trick.
What?
We're gonna add ice
Why?
before we process it. It is gonna add volume and fluffiness.
Oh, okay.
I kid you not. It's the best thing ever.
But ice, not water. You want it cold.
You want it cold,
Okay.
but you want the ice.
Okay.
So like 6 to 8 ice cubes really is all you need.
Okay.
All right, so let's process
I love that
this.
that's part of the recipe.
I know.
6 to 8 ice cubes, please check.
Yeah, I know. Okay. Look at that. Okay, we're gonna stir it.
I don't know if the camera caught your celebration.
I know.
Mid-whip.
I know. I can see it coming together. So you might need to kind of stir it down. it is really nice and thick.
So what's the flavor going on here?
So the flavor is really rich and creamy.
Okay.
We're gonna add a little bit of sesame oil at the end.
Okay.
And it adds that nuttiness and richness that you want.
So is this like Mediterranean?
Kind of like a Mediterranean feel.
Okay.
So I serve this with pita chips, like just pita bread.
Yeah.
You could do celery, cucumbers, and olives. Oh my goodness, it is so incredibly good.
That is so incredibly good.
Is that so incredibly good? So just a few little changes to your basic recipe gives you a whole nother flavor profile.
It's salty.
Yes.
I love it.
So I just put olives on top, a little more of that Napa Valley olive oil just for garnish. You could do pesto.
I shouldn't have started eating now.
It's okay, we're gonna feed the pregnant lady. It's so good, isn't it?
It's so good.
So these are the best dips for summer. I hope that you'll try them. Really, really good and easy to make.
So easy, but we'll be the star of the show. We'll post all these recipes for you on our website, and of course, we'll link you over to Wendy's website where she's sharing recipes all of the time. Where can we connect with you?
Instagram's the best way, The Real Wendy Paul.
Just seeing what's on your table inspires me because it's simple enough to do, but it's
simple.
Always elevated. It's like the perfect crossroad, I think.
It is. I think that's what we need, especially as busy women in our lives. We want really good food. We want the flavor, but we don't want to be in the kitchen for hours at a time.
Thanks for stalling.
Hey, you're welcome.
So I can get another bite in.
Have another bite.
Wendy Paul, we'll link you over. We love you, sister. Thank you so much.